Hello and welcome back to the Yak Chat channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to use one of our AI Assist features, shortening messages, to make your communication clearer and more concise. First, open the Yak Chat app and start a new message. Next, enter the contact you want to message and type out what you want to say. Before you send it, tap the AI Assist button. You'll find it in the row of action buttons just beneath your message. Then, select Shorten. In a moment, your message will be rewritten in a more concise way. If the new version doesn't quite hit the mark, no problem. You can tap Retry to see another suggestion. Or, if you'd prefer to stick with what you originally wrote, just click the X to go back to your original message. Once you're happy with the shortened version, tap the check mark to confirm. Then, when you're ready, just hit Send. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Yak Chat tips. See you next time.